Hey Tony, so okay, for this one we're simplifying, which is to say there isn't like an equals another side of the equation. We'll see those later, and for those it's a solve. But for this, where there's no equal sign in the problem, and I'm looking at how they have the answer, they do have an equals there, but they're just saying it reduces to this, not that like y equals 7 or something. Um, so let me get rid of that stuff. There we go. So this is basically anytime there's no, equals another number on the other side, we're just trying to get it down to a smaller chunk of math, as simplified as we can. So what I will do is we would start with multiplication and same order of operations we've been seeing, and then after that we'll do the addition, subtraction, and like terms. So I'm going to bring down this negative 8. I'm not doing anything with it, so I'm just going to write it down. I'm going to take the negative 3, and then I'm going to multiply that to that 3 right there and to that 2y right there. So negative 3 times 3 would make negative 9, so that becomes a minus 9. And then negative 3 times 2y would become a negative 6y. And then that plus 1 would come down afterwards. And now I'm down to addition and subtraction. And so if you notice, there are 3 like terms here. The 8, the negative 9, and the plus 1. And then the minus 6y, it's its own thing. It's the only term with a y. So I'll go ahead and put that term out front, because you usually write it in descending order. And then this would be down 8, down another 9, so I'd be at minus 17 there. And then back up 1 would put me at minus 16. I always think of it as money. I owe someone $8, I owe someone $9, I owe 17, come back 1, and then I still owe 16. And then this is it. That is as far as you can go on that. Again, if there's an equals and we could solve it out for something, that's coming up. But for right now, if the directions are simplify, that's as far as we can take it.